Introducing Soon Huat Seeds app. Scan and follow these steps to register an account. Step 1. Tap Profile, insert your email address and password. Then, tap Create a new account. Step 2. Fill in your details and tap Complete my profile. Step 3. Go to Profile, My Addresses, tap Add New at top right to enter your information, save, and you're done. For example, at the search bar, we typed seedless watermelon. Choose the option and quantity that we want, add to cart or buy now to purchase. Review your add to cart list, you may swipe left to remove any item. Check out and confirm your order. Final step. Payment. You may bank transfer or scan bank QR code for payment. Screenshot or snap a photo of the receipt, and tap I have receipt to upload receipt. Then, tap Upload now to complete your order. We will ship out once we confirmed with our team. Thank you for shopping.